Every morning, the bird knocked on the same window, even after the room became empty. The old woman lived alone, no family, no visitors. Only one injured bird she once saved from the rain. She fed it every day, talked to it like a child. The bird learned her voice, her smile, her silence. One morning, the window never opened. No food, no voice, just quiet. Days passed. The bird kept coming. Rain, cold, alone. One evening, the bird sat on the window. Didn't fly away, didn't eat, just stayed until it stopped moving. Some hearts are too small to survive loss, but too pure to forget love. If this story made your chest feel heavy, please don't scroll. Like 4 gentle souls, come and bird. If this broke you, share this story because someone needs to feel that even the smallest hearts love the deepest. Subscribe to Nightvox for stories that whisper and never leave you.